Hello passionate gardener, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you my front garden, how beautiful flowers here. And this front garden I'm mainly maintaining for the flower garden, and then back is vegetable and fruits. So you can see that tulips are getting bloom, and daffodils are really looks nice. Now I'll tell you like few tips how I am maintaining this and what's my plan. So my plan is to, over the late winter to early winter, I want to be this beds are blooming with flowers. So I started already with the tulips. That's the first set of it. I have planned for more flowers like calendula. You can see some calendulas here, some pansies. I'll plant some pansies here. I planted last year. I'll be waiting for these seeds to come up. I'm expecting some seeds like this are pansy seeds. So pansy, calendula, they grow from seeds. So if you plant them once, the seeds will drop and the next year it will grow again. So, and these daffodils are year on year. So I planted this first year, and last year I planted and take out the bulbs, but this year I have planned so that I don't need to take out the bulbs. So I'll keep those bulbs here, and you can see like already one stems have three plant from here already, and they are going to keep multiplying so every years, and I'm going to get more flowers like this, and it will be keep growing, like probably multiply every year and year. And at some point, if it's very overgrown, I'll probably take out few more and plant somewhere else. And the roses are going to bloom soon in 2 months time, 1 or 2 months time. You can see I have done the pruning. You might see a video on my channel, like I have shown how to prune those in the winter time to have this little growth. You can see like all my roses are getting nice growth here and that one. So I have planted more roses, so that because roses mostly like flowers start from May to a few months, probably August. You can see these, there are few more rows I have planted. So calendula is something that's going to be started soon, like probably after the daffodil is gone, the calendula will start blooming. And there are some baby dolls on the other side who will bloom as well. Apart from this, like you can see tulips, there are some other crocus kind of varieties flower here. There are other flowers like it's blooming. They are very nice fragmented, and these little flowers coming from the under like soil, they're also really nice. And as I said, I'm going to keep them here, and every year they're going to keep multiply, and this place is going to be better and better every year. So these are the baby dolls. It's overwintered. You can see these are growing, already started growing. These are my last year plants, is my side as well. Other thing is October, November flowers. I have chrysanthemums. You can see these are growing. They're also overwintered, and they're really nice flowers in the October, November time. So with this, you will get all around the flowers except the December and January. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for upcoming gardening tips. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, passionate gardener.